Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about facts about dog bites. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about facts about dog bites is pets.webmd.com. Specifically the page titled Dog Health Center Dog Care and Information from WebMD. Here's the link. You can also try Leerburg.com, especially the page Leerburg emails about dog bites and dog attacks. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site www.cdc.gov. The web page CDC Dog Bites Home and Recreational Safety Injury Center. Here's the link.